The Italian collection is a range of beautiful outdoor fabric that we've designed here in Sydney, Australia, and we are making in Italy. The fabric collection is made up of 4 distinct designs inspired by the tones and textures of the Aeolian Islands. These are a string of islands off the coast of Sicily, and it's where my mother's family's from. After World War II, there was a lot of migration from southern Italy to Australia. So there's a bunch of people out there just like me that have strong ties to this region. This is a very personal collection for me, but it's not just about my family heritage, it's about celebrating a rich history in design and manufacturing in Italy. We've partnered with an incredible factory in Italy. They have a rich history in fabric manufacturing and have been making outdoor fabrics for over 80 years. So if you're looking at pictures of Italian beach clubs, there's a pretty good chance that it's their work. We brought an Australian lens to a distinctly Italian product. This is all about celebrating summer and appreciating good design.